What do you think, Hop? Should we finish this off? Hey guys, welcome to the channel. So today I'm finishing off my Enduro RC, my Enduro kit, and I picked up a few parts to help me complete the job. When I was first putting everything together, I was using a Castle 3800 kV motor. I pulled that motor out. Now I have the Holmes Hobby 2700 kV Puller Pro. To go with the motor, I picked up an 18-tooth pinion. Also going to upgrade the steering, went with a Vanquish steering horn, and it'll be a great replacement. I always blow these plastic servo horns out, especially when I'm using these Savox 1210s. And last but not least, I picked up the Spektrum, the SR6000T. This is a telemetry 6-channel receiver, and I'll pair this up with my DX5R. So it's time to get started. I'm going to start out by getting this motor put in. This is a 4-pole brushless censored motor, and from all the reviews, everything I've seen on this motor, this is a solid option, especially when paired with the Castle Mamba X. Inside the box, you're going to find some bullet connectors in case you should need them. You're going to find the sensor wire and the motor. Very, very nice looking motor. I'm really excited to get this thing in and try it out, so let's get to work. Okay, now the sensor wire is hooked up. I also have the 2 screws in the front hooked up, but I left them loose. This way I can get the pinion set to the spur, leave enough gap so I don't run into any issues. Alright, everything's set, everything's nice and tight. Now I'm going to go ahead and plug my wires in. Real simple, just going to follow what it says on the side. A goes to A, B goes to B, C goes to C. Everything's nice and labeled on the motor and the ESC. Everything on this motor was a direct fit into the Mamba X. Really nice fit. All the connections are secure, and I also plugged in my sensor wire. This motor is done. The bullets that they gave me with the motor, I'm not going to be using these, so I'll just stash these away for later. So the next thing I'm going to do is swap out the servo horn. I'm going to put the Vanquish, the aluminum horn on there, 25 tooth. Nice and durable. I've used these on a few rigs and they're very, very high quality. Real simple to get this plastic one out. Just take off the nut, back out the screw, and then put everything back together on the new horn. And just like that, the horn is on. Use a bit of Loctite to get the screw through the aluminum. I'm not going to use the top nut. I think this will be alright. Very important though, before you put on your horn, make sure that your servo is centered. This is all set up and it is ready to go. The last thing I need to get in is this 6-channel receiver. So I will take off the 4 screws that are on the cover, pop this in, plug everything in, bind it to my DX5R, and I'll be good to go. Alright, so I finished binding everything up. I have everything on. I'm using a Traxxas 2-cell battery just to see how everything works. The last thing I did was I did put the cover back onto the transmission, and I covered back up the receiver. Testing everything out. Steering, working fine. Throttle is reversed. So that's a simple fix on the radio. Alright, so I went ahead and just reversed everything. Now everything works the way it should. Alright, I'm going to give it a quick test, see how everything looks and how it's working. And success. Very good test. Seems to perform very well. Cannot wait to get a body on it. I have the big red body that used to be on an Axial Raw kit. I'm going to be putting that body onto this, and that's about it. I'll get it out on the trail as soon as possible and get some footage, and I'll give a review on what I think about it. Alright guys, but that's about it. If you like what you saw, please click that like button. Don't forget to subscribe, and have a great day. I'll see y'all soon.